So what we'll do in this video is try and find out how do we sum any n terms of an AP. That is the sum of n terms of an AP. Say for example, we've got an arithmetic progression like this, that is say natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So how do you find the sum of, say the first 14 numbers or the first 25 numbers of this particular AP? So let's look into the formulas for finding the sum of any number of terms of a given arithmetic progression. So we've got Sn equal to n divided by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So this is a formula that is used to find the sum of any n terms of a given AP. We've also got another formula, but before we go to the other formula, let us see what are the terms here. Here n equals to the number of terms that we're talking about. A is the first term, n again is the number of terms, and d is the difference between the two terms of an AP. So that's all, there's nothing new. And another formula that we can use is, depending on the kind of data that is given, n by 2 times a plus l. So here, a is again the first term, no doubt about that. Now, what do you think L is? L is nothing but the last term. So if you know the first term and the last term of an arithmetic progression, you can definitely find the sum of the arithmetic progression. So that's what this formula is for. So yeah, and sometimes the last term is given, or sometimes the last term has to be found out by this formula, L equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Say for example, in an AP, if they tell there are 10 terms and find the sum of the 10 terms, okay? So you can easily find the last term, right? The last term will have 10 and you will know the first term of the difference, so you'll find that L. So that's how you can use this formula. But otherwise, most of the problems give you the first term and the last term, and then you can find the sum of that particular arithmetic progression. So that's all. So this video is basically to introduce you to the concept of adding up all the terms of an arithmetic progression up to any point that you want. And how do you do it? I mean, physically adding it up to a certain point is fine, but you cannot add like say 90 terms or 100 terms. It's time consuming. So that's why we've got this formula here, which is going to make the addition of the terms of an arithmetic progression much more easier. So this ends this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with problems based on sum of n terms of an AP.